Okay, you can see loose flashing right in here. Set the rain gutter. What's coming off the drip edge flashing, and the rain gutter is not properly installed underneath the drip edge flashing, and then it's collapsing here a little bit. You can see rain gutter is leaking. It's got some overflow. So it was an atypical, at least here, an atypical installation. The rain gutter should be under the drip edge flashing. I think it is over here. I'm not sure what's going on. Get a still image of that on the way down. I'm not going to be able to walk a lot of this roof. Again, has to do with my lack of mountain goat climbing skills. The little man's coming up. These shingles are brittle. Excuse me, brittle. We've had shingles replaced. All these shingles, we've got some repairs right in here. It's been replaced. What's that about? And diverters and diverters. All these diverters. Moving on along. Siding's not supposed to be closer than 2 inches to the side. Some of this is just plain design. I said I wasn't going with it. And I'm not. I just want to see. Got a little dead valley right in there. Lichens are growing on this. This is not a new roof. This is not a new roof at all. I'm going to talk to your insurance company about this. I mean, is it good? It's probably holding. I didn't notice. I haven't spent a lot of time inside, but I didn't notice any ceiling problems. Coming over here. See all around those pipes, all around these vent pipes. Little gasket right there. They're all gonna. That one's stretched. The pipe's coming up higher than the gasket, and you've lost your seal. I'm usually talking to people about buckling, but that one's stretched. I get to say stretched every once in a while. Okay, what else we got over here? Okay, those are the same repairs. I don't know if you can. They're showing up. More rain diverters. They were just having all this water is just coming down off of these two. It's just funneling down here. It was running straight off, so they made it so it would cascade a little bit. And sometimes that's the best you can do. I mean, what else are you gonna do? Siding too close. Rodents were getting in. There's some damaged fascia board right there. This is too close. Coming along, more roof repairs. That'd be right over the living room. We got some loose. That's a furnace, one of your furnaces at least. That's a loose flashing, vent flashing plate. And we got roof repairs. Damaged fascia. I'm getting my art skills on here. We got a cricket. Well, if you want to call it one. But we got a little cricket back there. It's there. I can't say it's not. And you can kind of see how the shingles are all worn around that repair right there. This roof's old. Again, will it rain tonight? Maybe. Will it leak tonight? Maybe not. Maybe not. But know that somebody's going to be replacing it soon.